So, listen, honey. Go get this wig. Go get this hair. Real talk. Go get this hair.
Came out from a big X and came home to a big bag. I'm a big boss and you big man. Fuck around and die by my respect. Got blood all on my Christians from all my oppositions. Fuck all my oppositions.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Emmy. Welcome to my channel. And if you've been here since day one, what's good? I see you, boo. So today I'm basically going to be doing a review on this hair. This would be like my first review while it's on my head and all that, because you know I did do an initial review. And if you want to check that out, I'm gonna leave it right up here or over here, whichever side it's gonna be on. But you can check it out and everything, and you can see my initial review on this hair. Now I just got done curling this hair, and not once did this smoke come out the hair. Okay, so let's be real about this hair. This hair, what am I saying? This hair is very soft. I love it. It's like, listen, it's so beautiful. Like, I'm running my fingers and my curls are just bouncing back, like, you know. And I don't have no body spray or like product to like keep it stiff or nothing. I don't have no product in here. Like, and my curls are on. Like, look at that. I know y'all saw that. So like, look at these curls. I don't have no shedding doing all this. And I just used a Marcel. So I'm also gonna leave that video right here. You can see how I got these curls and all of that and everything. And it's also some tea in there. So, you know, go check that out. Get the tea. Nah, but this hair is very beautiful. Like, I love it. This is a half lace wig, frontal wig or whatever. It is a frontal, so I have all hair glued down and everything and whatever. It's lace in the front, and it's of course the wig cap in the back. So this is the 12-inch bob, and look at how nice and full it is even after curling. Just look at it. Like, come on y'all. Like, can you come on, come on, come on, let's be real. So you check them out on Amazon. This hair is affordable. Like, when I say affordable, this right here, I'm gonna put the exact link so you can click on that link and see exactly where I got it from. Then you can see what I'm talking about, because this hair is everything. I'm actually about to get myself another one, because I do want to do color on it. I want to leave this the way it is because of the way I plucked it. I do want to leave it how it is, but I want to get myself another one, and I want to color it. I want to do like a fire orange red. Like, I think that would be real fire on a 12-inch bob like this with the curl. Boy, that's what I'm thinking about doing soon. So I won't do a review on that hair because it's the same hair, but I will do the coloring portion of it, of course, the lifting and putting the color on it. But so far, I'm loving this hair. Like, I'm loving it. I just don't know. Like, I don't know what to say. Like, it's just beautiful. It holds its curl, clearly. I'm playing in it and it's not going nowhere. Like, it holds its curl. It has body. It has luster. Like, it got vibes. That's not something, but it got vibes. I made it up. So, it got vibes. But yeah, like, go to Amazon.com right now. Like, click off and go to Amazon. Nah, but go to Amazon and check them out for real. Like, this hair, like, Amazon just been lit. Amazon has the deals. Like, everybody, you know, I love Amazon. I love Amazon Prime. Don't get it twisted. Like, yes, I pay my 12 something a month, $12.99, $14.14 after taxes a month for my Prime, because my stuff comes in 2 days. This hair came in it came in the same day, actually. So yeah, they got same day shipping, 2-day shipping, 1-day shipping, whatever. You feel me? So yeah, Amazon, can't sleep on them. You just cannot sleep on them. They doing what they got to do to get this bread. Okay, so yeah, like, and they just giving out good product. It's not like they're giving out, you know, dirt, crap. Yeah, they giving out good product. So listen, honey. Go get this wig. Go get this hair. Real talk. Go get this hair. Yeah, but I'm really feeling this hair. I'm feeling Bazula. Booladoo. Listen, I'm telling y'all to go get it. Like, trust me. This hair is not to be played with. Okay? Like, this hair is like a go-getter. Okay? And I don't even be fronting when it comes to, like, hair. Like, I might even try to front with, like, gas you. Seriously. Like, you better go get this. because this hair is mad pretty. So that's my little review, whatever. I'm about to actually do another one when I'm gonna do it like I don't know. Should I do weekly reviews on this hair, or like do you want to see bi-weekly or you want to see monthly? Like how you want to see it, and like for how long do you want to see it for? So do you want to see how bundles last for like a 6-month period, or like do you want to see how it lasts for like a 3-month period? Let me know, because then any hair that I get, I'll do a weekly review on it, and then I'll do like a monthly, like I'll do it like that. So like I could do bi-weekly, monthly, or I could do monthly, and then I could do it for like a 3-month span, so you could kind of get a feel of it. So I could do that, but to be honest, I wear my wigs. So I wear these wigs. I don't just be like, oh, I'm gonna do a review and I ain't wear it and I just had it in a bag and I come back with it on and I'm like, oh, here's a review. No, like I wear them wigs. So if there's shedding, if there's any snagging, if the frontal is bad, if the tracks is done, if like the bundles is like yeah, like I'm gonna tell you. So I wear my wigs. I don't just, get hair and I just throw them in a box and I'm like, all right, let me put it out and show y'all what it is. Like, no, I wear the wigs, I try it out, I color it to see, how it's gonna lift and how it's gonna last after that. Like, this is my first review on this wig. I had it for probably a week now or whatever. So yes, I'm loving this hair. It's my first time curling it and everything. I keep looking at myself. I'm sorry. I'm just feeling this hair, so I can't stop looking at it because, like, hello. That's the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to click and like. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't worry, it's free. It's not going to cost you nothing to subscribe. Come join the Emmy game because it's little on this side or whatever. So I'm going to check you in my next video. Peace.